we have the Pathfinder from UAG with camera cutouts for camera protection. On the inside, you have this soft matte honeycomb designed to help protect the back of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's actually a little grip on the clear see-through part of the back. Then you got that soft matte texture to that honeycomb design. Lots of corner protection. I tell you right now, man, all cutouts will be precise. Buttons are going to work. You got traction grip on both sides so you can get the help you need to hold on to your S25 Ultra. I mean, you got to do your part, okay? Firm grip. The traction grip is there to help you. I know some of you are wondering, well, what about the glass shield screen protector? All that came out perfect. Perfect. The glass shield seems to be working fine. Double tap. All right, let's put the ice silver Pathfinder case onto my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Power button. It's got a couple little indents there so you can feel the difference between the power button and the volume rocker that has the minus and plus symbols, along with that traction grip. Bam. Up top, huge cutout for the two top mics. At the bottom, huge cutout for the USB Type-C charging port and a cutout for the bottom mic. Speaker cutout, and you have your S Pen cutout. So you can go from the top, the bottom. Can you go from the side? Yes, you can. Let's get that back in there. Okay. Yeah. Huge cutout there. A couple of cutouts on the left and the right-hand side if you want to sport a lanyard. Lots of lip surrounding the flat display with the glass shield. Screen protector. No issues with any lifting. Just enough distance between the edge of the screen protector and the lip of the Pathfinder case. Got some lip all the way around there. You can see the lip there. You'll have plenty of space to utilize camera glass lens protectors if you choose to do so. And I would if you are really rugged with your smartphones. Okay, that's in my opinion a must. For those of you that are not too super rugged with your smartphones, then this right here is going to work. Thumbs up. All right, regular wireless charging. Just find the sweet spot and bam, just like that. All right, and magnet for MagSafe. Let's test out the magnetic attraction here. This is the swing and the shake. Definitely a strong magnetic attraction, but what we want to see is that right there. Very nice. Boom. Shakalaka.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
The glass shield screen protector, the Pathfinder Ice Silver, everything looking great, everything working together the way it should. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase will be in the description area. With that, God bless you all. Peace.